The heart, your vital pump. The heart is an organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, providing essential oxygen and nutrients to our cells. Location. Where can you find your heart? The heart is located slightly left of the center of your chest, behind the breastbone, sternum, and between your lungs. It's protected by the rib cage, which helps shield it from external harm. Chambers of the heart, 4 parts, 1 function. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria, upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, lower chambers. These chambers work together to maintain a steady flow of blood throughout the body. Right atrium. This chamber receives deoxygenated blood returning from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. Right ventricle. The right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from the right atrium and then pumps it into the lungs through the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. Left atrium. This chamber receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. Left ventricle. The left ventricle receives oxygenated blood from the left atrium and pumps it into the aorta, which carries the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. Blood circulation, the path of life. The heart functions as a pump to maintain a constant flow of blood through 2 circulatory pathways. Pulmonary circulation. Deoxygenated blood is pumped from the right ventricle into the pulmonary arteries, which carry it to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood releases carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen. Oxygenated blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins. Systemic circulation. Oxygenated blood is pumped from the left ventricle into the aorta, which branches into smaller arteries that supply oxygen and nutrients to all body tissues. Deoxygenated blood returns to the heart through the superior and inferior vena cava. Coronary anatomy and supply. Nourishing the heart itself. The heart requires a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to function effectively. This supply comes from the coronary arteries. Left coronary artery. It branches into the left anterior descending artery, LAD, and the circumflex artery. The LAD supplies the front and left side of the heart, while the circumflex artery supplies the left atrium and ventricle. Right coronary artery. This artery supplies the right atrium, right ventricle, and bottom portion of the left ventricle. Thank you.